Hello, my name is Kirti. In this video, Sahiti and I will demonstrate how to run the annotators in Parsers GUI, as well as help you understand the main outputs of main types of outputs and charts they produce. To run an annotator, you can select one from the drop-down menu. These annotators are available through Stanford Core NLP and include options like co-reference pronominal resolution, temporal, POS, NER normalized date, gender, quote, and sentiment analysis. Please note that the annotators marked as neural network are more accurate but slower and require a significant amount of memory. The first one is pronominal co-reference resolution, which deals with cases like, quote, John said that he would, unquote, where he is a pronoun that refers to the previously mentioned entity John. Core NLP can resolve other cases, but this specific algorithm focuses on resolving such pronominal references. Keep in mind that the core reference resolution checkbox is disabled when selecting an entire directory in input due to high memory usage. The core NLP NER annotator recognizes various NER values, including named entities like person, location, numerical entities like money, number, and temporal entities like date and time. The NER normalized date annotator extracts standard dates in the year, month, date format from the text. The core NLP gender annotator extracts the gender of first names and personal pronouns using a neural network approach. This annotator requires a substantial amount of memory. The core NLP quote annotator extracts quotes from the text and attributes them to the speaker. You can choose to process both double and single quotes. The sentiment analysis annotator computes the sentiment values from a text for each sentence in a text. The OpenIE annotator extracts open domain relation triples representing a subject, relation, and object of that relation. Once you select the annotators you want to run, click the Run button to initiate the run process. The annotators will generate output files in a specified format. For demonstration purposes for you all, we ran a corpus of sample newspaper articles from the NLP Suite library through this GUI. The output of these annotators includes CSV files and Excel charts. Here is an overview of the file types outputted by the annotator GUI. For example, over here we see the co-reference table. The co-reference annotator will provide text format copies of the same input files with co-reference. In the left column, we have the reference pronouns, while in the right column, we have the reference phrase in which the pronoun is located. The next two columns have the sentence IDs of the reference pronouns. These outputs can provide valuable insights and data for your NLP analysis, making it easier to understand the content and structure of the text. Now that we've covered annotators, let's move on to parsers.
In the parsers section, we focus on the specific parser for the NLP language use. In our case, we're using the Stanford Core NLP Parser, which is a powerful tool for obtaining co-NLL tables, the basis for many NLP analyses, including noun and verb analysis, function words, clause tags, and query co-NLL. When using the Stanford Core NLP parser, you can choose between two types of parsers: the default PCFG, probabilistic context-free a grammar parser, or a neural network dependency parser. The neural network approach is more accurate but slower. Here's an overview of the CSV file types outputted by the Stanford Core NLP NN Parser GUI. The co-NL table produced by the parser contains the following 9 fields: ID, form, lemma, post tag, NER with 23 classes, head, deep role, depths, and clausal tags. The neural network parser does not produce clausal tags. Additionally, several fields will be automatically added to the standard 9 fields of a co-NL table, including record number, document ID, sentence ID, document input file name, and date if the file name embeds a date. If you choose to use the co-NLL table analyzer, it will allow you to analyze the results contained in the co-NLL table. But please note that this feature is available only for the Stanford Core NLP parser and not for other parsers like BERT, Spacy, or Stanza. To wrap up, the annotators and parsers provide you with an array of tools to analyze and understand your text data comprehensively. They generate various outputs, including CSV files and charts, which can be instrumental in your NLP analysis. And here's an overview of the tips files provided with this GUI, which delve in deeper into specialized topics like co-reference resolution, co-NLL table, POS tags, etc.
We hope that this video has made clear how to use the parsers and annotators in NLP Suite and how to interpret their outputs effectively. Experiment with the tools, enjoy exploring your data, and try the algorithms for your specific NLP needs. Thank you for watching.